Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test pattern on an Epson Stylus Office BX305FW. Now this is essentially a test page which just shows you the breakdown of the four colours and gives you a good idea as to what's causing any print quality issues you're having. So we start off by going into menu, and then maintenance is right at the bottom, but if you press up it loops you all the way down to option 10, maintenance. So we press OK to go in. So ink levels is the first one, nozzle check is the second one. So we press the colour button to start. Now this will take your printer just a minute, and after a few seconds you'll be presented with a page that looks something like this. Now what your printer's done is taken the black, cyan, magenta and yellow, the four colour inks it uses to produce this pattern. Now as you can see here, across this fine line there's a few gaps on the magenta, suggesting that is what's causing the print quality issues we've been having with this machine. Now thankfully this can typically be resolved by doing some head cleaning, which thankfully can be done directly from the printer by giving a couple prompts. If your print looks okay, you just press 1. If you want to do the cleans, which will force fresh ink into the print head and hopefully dislodge whatever's causing that issue with the magenta, then you just press 2. So I'm going to do that now. And you can keep going like this, doing test pages and cleaning until you've resolved your issue and can carry on printing happily. So I'm going to get on with that now. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.